A core concept in Tableau is dimensions and measures. A dimension contains qualitative values that can be divided into categories. Measures, on the other hand, contain numeric quantitative values that you can use to measure and to perform mathematical functions. Let's now see how this works in Tableau. Let's build a visualization that shows the number of locations divided by their location type. We will start by dragging location type to columns and then drag locations count to rows. We will also add marks by dragging locations count to the label mark and dragging location type to the color mark. This will update our visualization. What we can see here is that we have a dimension of location type that has been populated by the measure locations count. This visualizes the differences in number of location types. Let's look at another example. We will begin by dragging category from menu to columns and menu count to rows. We will also drag menu count to the label mark and category to the color mark. We now have a visualization that shows category as a dimension with each column populated by the values from the measure menu count. We can create a different visualization as a data table by dragging title from locations to rows. This is a dimension consisting of a title for the different and distinct locations in the data table. Next, we will drag orders count from the orders table as a measure to populate the data table. The title dimension is now divided by the orders count measure to show the totals for each title. Finally, we will drag drive-through from the locations table to columns and locations count to rows. Drive-through is a Boolean and displays false and true as possible options for its data. We will drag locations count to the label mark and drive-through to the color mark to see more detail in our visualization. In this case, drive-through is a dimension with the two categories of true and false, and locations count is the measure. Having an understanding of dimensions and measures in Tableau is key to understanding how to build different visualizations.